Growing herbs indoors can be a convenient and rewarding way to have fresh herbs readily available for your health needs. Here are some herbs that can thrive indoors and offer potential health benefits. Basil. Basil is a versatile herb with antioxidant properties. It contains vitamins A, K, and C, and minerals like iron and calcium. It's believed to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Mint. Mint, such as peppermint or spearmint, is known for its refreshing flavor and digestive benefits. It may help soothe an upset stomach, relieve headaches, and promote respiratory health. Parsley. Parsley is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and folate. It acts as a natural diuretic and may support kidney health. It also adds a fresh flavor to dishes. Thyme. Thyme is a herb with antimicrobial properties and is often used to support respiratory health. It contains compounds that may help alleviate coughs and congestion. Oregano. Oregano is a flavorful herb that contains potent antioxidants and antimicrobial properties. It may support immune health and has been used to alleviate digestive issues. Rosemary. Rosemary has a distinct aroma and is rich in antioxidants. It's believed to enhance memory and concentration, support digestion, and have anti-inflammatory properties. Chives. Chives are a member of the onion family and contain nutrients like vitamins A and C, folate, and potassium. They have a mild onion flavor and may support digestion and cardiovascular health. Sage. Sage has been used traditionally for its medicinal properties. It contains compounds that may have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial effects. It may also support cognitive function. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a calming herb that may help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. It has a refreshing citrus scent and is often used in teas and aromatherapy. Cilantro. Coriander. Cilantro is known for its distinctive flavor and is rich in vitamins A, C, and K. It may help with digestion, support detoxification, and have antioxidant properties. These herbs can be grown indoors in pots or containers near a sunny window or under grow lights. Remember to provide adequate water, proper drainage, and the right soil conditions for each herb's specific needs. Click the link down below to start your easy-to-use indoor herb garden. Herbs have been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems for their potential health benefits. Here are some ways herbs can benefit your health. Nutritional value. Many herbs are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for overall health and well-being. Incorporating herbs into your diet can provide a natural source of these nutrients. Medicinal properties. Numerous herbs contain bioactive compounds that have been found to possess medicinal properties. These compounds may have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antioxidant, or anti-cancer effects. Digestive health. Several herbs can support digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, reducing inflammation in the digestive tract, relieving indigestion, and alleviating gastrointestinal issues such as bloating, gas, and nausea. Immune system support. Certain herbs have immune-boosting properties and can help strengthen the body's natural defense mechanisms. They may enhance immune cell activity, increase antibody production, and help the body fight off infections. Stress relief and mental health. Adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha, holy basil, and rhodiola are known for their ability to help the body adapt to stress and promote a sense of calm. Other herbs like lavender and chamomile have soothing properties and can aid in relaxation and sleep. Cardiovascular health. Some herbs, such as garlic, turmeric, and hawthorn, have been linked to cardiovascular health benefits. They may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, improve blood circulation, and support heart health. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health conditions. Several herbs, including ginger, turmeric, and green tea, have potent anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate associated symptoms. Respiratory health. Certain herbs, like eucalyptus, thyme, and licorice root, have been traditionally used to support respiratory health. They can help soothe coughs, ease congestion, and relieve symptoms of respiratory conditions such as bronchitis or asthma. Skin health. Many herbs possess properties that can benefit the skin. They may have anti-aging effects, help with skin conditions like acne or eczema, promote wound healing, and provide nourishment and hydration. Detoxification. Some herbs, such as milk thistle, dandelion, and burdock root, are known for their detoxifying properties. They can support liver function, aid in the elimination of toxins from the body, and promote overall detoxification processes. It's important to note that while herbs can offer potential health benefits, individual responses may vary, and it's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before using herbs for medicinal purposes, especially if you have any existing health conditions or are taking medications. Growing your own herbs benefit. Incorporating herbs into your indoor gardening routine is a wonderful way to promote good health and well-being. Whether you have a green thumb or are just starting out, cultivating herbs indoors allows you to have a fresh supply of flavorful and potentially beneficial plants at your fingertips. From aromatic basil and refreshing mint to nutrient-rich parsley and immune-boosting oregano, there is a diverse range of herbs that can thrive indoors. These herbs not only add a burst of flavor to your culinary creations but also offer potential health benefits, from aiding digestion and supporting the immune system to providing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. By tending to your indoor herb garden, you not only nurture these plants but also nurture your own well-being. As you watch your herbs grow and flourish, you can harvest them at their peak freshness, ensuring you have access to the most potent nutrients and bioactive compounds they have to offer. So, whether you have a sunny windowsill, a dedicated herb garden, or utilize grow lights, growing herbs indoors is a rewarding and practical way to enhance your health. Remember to provide proper care, including adequate watering, sunlight or artificial lighting, and well-draining soil, to help your herbs thrive. Embrace the joy of gardening and the benefits of these amazing herbs. Let their vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and potential health-enhancing properties inspire you to create delicious dishes, soothing teas, and natural remedies. Your indoor herb garden is a gateway to a healthier and more vibrant lifestyle. Click the link down below to start your easy-to-use indoor herb garden.